podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe. G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Operator, can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, the guy that she said she knew once and almost hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. Overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. Only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can't see the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes. You know it happens every time. Think about the love that I thought would save me. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it. I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. I've overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. No, no, no. Operator, oh, let's forget about that call. There's no one there I really needed to talk to. Thank you for your time. Oh, you've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine. And the show, overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. No, no, no. Oh. Wow. That was great, you guys. That was Jim Croce and Operator.
So I wrote a song about Leech Lake. I just say it in a jib way. Guys, I can squat Jamaica. Guys, I can squat Jamaica. It's fun when you sing it. Now I'm gonna bring it. Guys, I can squat Jamaica. 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 Now, so you think you got it now? To say Leech Lake in a jib way, you say, guys, I can squat Jamaica. That's all there is to it. In a jib way, we say, guys, I can squat Jamaica. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Guys, I can squat Jamaica. Na 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 na. Guys, I can squat Jamaica. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Now you know how to say no jib way. Leech Lake, oh yeah. We can say Leech Lake in old jib way. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Oh, guys, I can squat Jamaica. Don't you far. Leech Lake is where I'm from. And that's how you say it. In a jib way. Alright. Hey everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast all about Ojibwe language and culture.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Yeah, right. Happy Easter.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. I was blind, but now I see. And seeing the multitudes, he went up into a mountain when he was set, his disciples came unto him. And he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've known less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. And I once was lost, but now I am found. I was blind, but now I see. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Oh, what? Happy Easter, everybody. Okay, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Nicely done there, Niji.
Yeah,
Hey, thanks.
that was great.
Oh,
Wow.
Want to do another song?
Yeah, okay.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, and speaking words of wisdom, let it be. In my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, and speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there's still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town. Good friends we had, oh, good friends we've lost along the way. In this bright future you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. No woman, don't cry. No woman, don't cry. Say, little darling,
Yeah.
don't shed no tears. No woman, don't cry. Oh, what?
That was
Nicely
good.
done there, Michael.
Yeah.
No woman, no cry, and that Beatles tune.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Oh, okay. Let me just grab my guitar here.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Today we're just going to do one song. And Michael wrote it. And it's called Natasha. Who knew? Go ahead.
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow. For all we know, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What'll we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we aren't so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. But I'm so sorry, I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said.
Wow, that's a sad song.
I think Bagheera's trying to get in here.
Yeah.
Just wait, kitty, we're recording a song.
We'll come out and get you in a minute.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. On the guitar, Michael Lyons. Take it away, brother. Traveling in a fried out Kombi on a hippie trail full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak of my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men wonder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Lying in a den in Bombay, with a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, yeah. You better take cover. Hey! Oh, what? That was great, Michael.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. and The Land Down Under
Oh,
by Men at Work. Another great 80s song.
oh, you could say that
All
again.
right. Catch a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I ain't sleeping, well, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have played, anywhere I've rolled them dice, anywhere I have played, the blues have run the game. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
Just change it up.
podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And this is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay!
And today we're doing a classy version. Welcome to the classy podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Oh, you're not kidding. Why do I feel like I'm at a wedding?
Nope, that's true.
Bum, 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 bum,
Bum,
ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum,
bum,
ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum,
bum,
ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum,
bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum.
BOOZHOO podcast about OTIP with language and culture. Natasha, I'm happy to be Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. Oh, yeah.
Not too bad, you guys. All right. So, this morning's song is a song that was one of my grandmother's favorites. And this song, which I'm going to record. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Oh,
That was beautiful.
yeah, that was great, Niji. Hey, thanks. I like the old songs. Should we do the intro? Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today is a Ojibwe word, Beka. Wait, just wait a second. We're gonna do another song here. Grab your harmonica. Yeah, there you go.
How's it going, Gene?
And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
Na, 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 na.
Oh, wow. That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
The one and the only. Oh, wow. That was really good, you guys. Oh, not bad for first thing in the morning. Oh, this reminds me of high school. This is Cyndi Lauper. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small. But I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Oh, what?
Well, everybody, hope you like the show. Just want to remind you, if you did like the show, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the show, meaning Michael, if you'd like to give him some junia, some money, you can click the link to PayPal or Patreon. And let's see, what else? Oh, and if you'd like to order some children's books in the Ojibwe language, you can always click the link to Amazon.com. And Michael Lyons has some children's books and some coloring books and some stuff like that. All right. Well, having said that, I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin.
Minowa.
Oh,
Oh, what? Okay. Think I'm going out of my head.
Oh, yeah. Somebody called out the doctor. The doctor of love. Oh. Kisses are so tough. I was thinking about love. You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had now. And if I say I wanna set you free, don't you know you'll be in misery? You know why? Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you'll let me in. You let me through, there's nothing you can do. You need my love and don't you know it's true? So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees. Baby, I know what your problem is. The first step of the cure is a kiss. The greatest band in the world. Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. Cause I am a doctor of love.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so Paul
What do you think, Natasha?
Yeah.
What should do next one?
Let's do a love song. Yeah. How about Forever? There we go. I like love songs. You know, if I was on a deserted island, I would definitely get this album.
Oh, yeah, me
I
Gotta tell you what I'm feeling inside.
I could lie to myself, but it's true.
Uh-huh.
There's no denying when I look in your eyes.
Girl, I'm out of my head over you.
Aww.
I lived so long believing all of this why.
But everything about you is telling me this time it's forever. This time I know it, there's no doubt in my mind. Forever. Until my life is through, girl, I'll be loving you forever. That's another one of those songs with 3-part harmony. This is like a barbershop quartet.